are you today? I am so glad that you're here. If we're meeting for the first time, my name's Dawn from Just Doing My Best. And if you have ever watched a video, been on social media, seen an advertisement for a makeup product, a skincare product, and thought, why do I even need that? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to answer the question, what is makeup setting spray and do I even need it? But let's back up for just a minute. If you're not new here, if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best, you know I try a lot of products. And it's really easy for me to get in my own head and think that when I'm trying new products, you're probably already using one of these products and, oh, hey, this is a new one. I forget sometimes. And then I get reminded when I get messages of people who say, you know what? Why do I even need that? I just want to make things simpler. That's what this series is intended to do. So this is the first video in a series of why do I even need that? What's that for? Think of makeup setting spray like hairspray for your hair. You curl your hair, you spray hairspray on your hair, it locks in your style, and it looks good all day long. That's exactly the way a makeup setting spray works. Now, do you need it? Is it revolutionary? If you've already said to yourself, I don't need that. My makeup stays all day long. If you have normal skin or dry skin and you've never had an issue with your makeup staying in place all day long, you probably don't need this. I have oily skin. I'm 56 years old and still have oily skin. There are some days at the end of the day, it just feels like my makeup is sliding off my face. So when I first heard of makeup setting spray, the clouds parted and the angels sang. I knew this was sent directly from heaven for me. Makeup setting spray has changed the game for me. This one is the Milani Make It Last Original Setting Spray. I love this. It is so good. If you watched this video here, I shared my technique for really getting my makeup to last all day. I do what I call a makeup setting spray sandwich. Before I put a drop of makeup on, so I have all my skincare on, and before I put any makeup on at all, I spray my skin with setting spray. Then I apply my makeup, and right before I'm done, I set my makeup again with setting spray, and it stays in place all day long. Now, I love finding super affordable makeup. Love, 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 love. I love this. The Make It Last Original, fantastic. However, it does have alcohol in it. So if you do have drier skin, maybe you have an event, you have something, you need to look good all day long. So makeup setting spray might be the answer for you, but this has alcohol in it. I found another great option that is a little bit cleaner, does not have alcohol, and this is the Freck Beauty is the name of the company, and this is called Face Hack. I am absolutely loving this. It is so good. It's a little bit more expensive, but if you need something that is just super cheap and cheerful, you can just use it whenever you need it. This is a great one. If you do want something without alcohol, this is a terrific option. Over the past few months, I think I have tried every makeup setting spray on the market, and honestly, I could not find one that beats this. No kidding. I found some of the ones that just everyone is raving about. And since I do have such oily skin, I was a really good candidate for trying out setting spray. And I could not find one that beats this until I found this one. So if you do need a cleaner option, this is really good. I hope that that's helpful. So is makeup setting spray revolutionary? Do you absolutely need it? I would say if you have normal to dry skin and it has not been an issue for you getting your makeup to look good all day long, then I would skip it. If you have oily skin like I do, or you tend to have really long days, events, parties, things where you need to look good from the beginning of the day to the end of the day, I would absolutely use a makeup setting spray. And I hope this was helpful. If it was, be sure to look out for more videos in this series of, do I really need this? And if you want more tips to get your makeup to look gorgeous all day long, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.